Right, this is the activity we're doing from the textbook, which is finding the angles, measuring the angles, and we're going to do this activity, complete this circle. I'm going to put in values for x and y, and then find out the other angles to complete that table. So that's the recommended textbook we've been using. So I've drawn the circle and put on the point R. I'm going to do this. Well, you can't really see what I'm doing, can you? It's very difficult to do one-handed. So that's the centre of the circle. And then I'm going to join up OR. Do it. It's a construction line. I'm going beyond the circle. And the point S in the diagram, it was inside the circle, but never mind. Now I'm going to put in an angle Q, ORQ, which is an angle Y. I'm going to choose some unusual angle. So what do we choose? 23 degrees. And for angle X in the diagram, which is ORP, I'm going to choose 42 degrees. Right, so I've done the constructions. I'll show you that. I mean, you just have to measure them. You could construct them, but it's very difficult to those particular degrees. So that's 23 and 42 degrees. Close. This isn't going to be as accurate as yours. Really hard to do with the camera. Right. So here we go. And I've just two angles. That one's Y, and I called it, and I measured it as 23 degrees. That one is X, which I called 42 degrees. That is point Q. That one is point P. And now I'm going to join those to the centre and measure the remaining angles and fill them into that table. PO and OQ. Right. The angle SPQ is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 83 degrees. The angle SOQ, sorry, SOP did I say? Yeah, SOQ is 10, 20, 30, 40, 6 degrees. That whole angle, POQ, I'll measure it rather than adding those two angles. either, is 10, 20. Notice I'm counting 90, 110, 120, 130 degrees. So if I'd added them, it would have been 129 degrees. You do, 1 degree out is possible. Right, what else do we need to measure? RPO. Right, RPO. I'm not drawing that one very well. It's not going to be very accurate. RPO is 10, 20, 30, 42 degrees. RQO. 22 degrees. POS, done. RQO, done. QOS, done. PRQ, well, that would be a total of 2. So I'll measure those. Could add them. Should be 55, but I'll measure it. And it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. It's just as well I measured it, isn't it? I can't add up. 65 degrees. And POQ. Done. Alright? So that is the completed diagram. Just using 2 angles, fairly randomly chosen for X and Y. And you'll notice that some of them are equal to each other. Find a pencil to show you. That one appears to be equal to that one. That one appears to be equal to that one. 4283, half. 4623, half. 65 130, half. So this isn't proof of some of these theorems, but it does help to make you believe them.